Hey, everyone! Looking for ways to make money online in 2024? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful methods that can help you earn $500 or more per day, even if you're a beginner. Stick around till the end to discover the best strategies. Let's get started. AI-powered YouTube automation. YouTube automation is one of the easiest ways to make money online without showing your face. Use tools like Mutayon or Pictory to create AI-generated videos. Add AI voiceovers using 11 Labs or Muff AI. Monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing for passive income. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn commissions by promoting products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Create content around products using blogs, YouTube, or TikTok. Earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Freelancing with AI tools. Freelancing is easier than ever with AI-powered tools. Offer services like content writing, graphic design, or video editing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI to complete tasks faster. List your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Print-on-demand business. Sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. Use AI to create unique designs with Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Upload designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. When someone buys a product, the platform prints and ships it for you. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Create ebooks, online courses, or templates using ChatGPT and Canva. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Selfie. Unlike physical products, digital items have no shipping costs and unlimited sales potential. Conclusion and call to action. These 5 methods can help you start making money online today. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making strategies. See you in the next video. Rock it!